Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. Today I'm going to be doing a review of the Maid coloring kit. The coloring kit includes 3 sections of different color materials. This coloring kit is around $10 to $15 and may vary in different locations. For more awesome videos, please subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. So without further ado, let's get this review started. As we are initially looking at this Maid coloring kit, you can see that it is designed as a briefcase. It has a handle to hold on and it has 2 locks in case if you want to close it, or you can use it as a room decor. As we are initially opening our Maid coloring kit, you can see that there is 2 sections, and on one section we have pens, markers, and on this other section we have color pencils. So there is a foam thing, a coloring book or booklet, and color pencils. So as we are going to be reviewing this Maid coloring kit, we're going to start off with our pretty colors that are pens. So there is 6 different colors. The first pen we're going to be reviewing is the pink ink pen. So all of them are ink. We have the orange one, we have a purple Maid pen, a sky blue or blue Maid pen, a green pen, and last but not least, we have a black pen. And these are really cute pens that you can use or just take to school if you just want to take really cute notes. The second section we're going to go over with are the 6 different markers, and as I mentioned before, there are 6 different colors on the pens and markers. On the first marker, you can see that there is like a little metal holder that you can put on your notebook or anything else. So the first marker we're going to review is the purple marker. Then the red marker, as you can see like the ink, and they have really good tips. Then the orange marker, we have the yellow marker, green, and blue. So all of the 6 markers are the same, and as I told you before, they have really good tips to write with in case if you want to do cute notes. For our third thing is our Maid coloring kit, and this booklet consists of really cute coloring pages that you can color with your color pencils, pens, and markers. The last section that we're going to go over with is our Maid beautiful and variety of color pencils. So as you can see, there is a variety of colors that you can't even describe. They have different shades and they have like really bright colors. And this particular color pencils of Maid, they consist of 20 color pencils, and they have like a really cute colors, and they have like a really good tip to color with in case if you are bored or you just want to be creative. And as this, I'm told you that you can color with the color pencil with your Maid coloring book. I hope you guys really enjoyed this Maid coloring kit review, and if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming videos. See you in my next video. Bye.